What's up everybody, I'm Jesse with SENA, and today we're going hands-on with the brand new SENA 60X, SENA's new mesh communication system. Here's the plan, the apps you need, what's in the box, and then we go through every single feature exactly the way you'd actually use it. So what's the headline on the 60X? It runs Mesh Intercom 3.0, improved sound quality, a more robust connection, and extended talk time. And it's dual version mesh. It can run Mesh 2.0 for backward compatibility. It's Wave Intercom compatible. That's SENA's intercom over cellular data, and we'll get into exactly what that means later. Under the hood, there's a dual-core CPU with a parallel architecture. That's what maximizes performance for simultaneous connections to multiple devices and powers the audio multitasking. Inside, you've got AI-based noise cancellation, enhanced voice command, and this is the one you'll hear, Sound by Bose. Then the practical stuff, interchangeable faceplates, a magnetic mount, an IPX7 waterproof rating, Bluetooth 5.3, over-the-air firmware updates, and automatic power on and off. There are two apps and they do two different jobs. First, the SENA Motorcycles app, Google Play Store or the App Store. This is your control center, including device settings, button customization, speed dial presets, pairing tools, firmware updates. You want this installed before you do anything else. Second, the Wave Intercom app, also on Google Play or the App Store. This one is specifically for Wave Intercom, the cellular-based intercom. Grab both of those apps now, and the rest of this video is going to go smoothly. On the unit, you've got C1 and C2 customizable buttons. The Mesh Intercom button on the side, the joystick up, down, and a center press, and the phone button on the back of the unit. Now, about those C1 and C2 buttons, you customize what they do in the SENA Motorcycles app. That's a set it once and love it forever feature. SENA packed this box properly. Here's the exact contents. First, you get the 60X main unit. Then you get 3 interchangeable faceplates to customize the look of the 60X on your helmet. Next up, you get 2 helmet clamps that come pre-installed with 2 speakers each. Next up, there's 2 glued mounting plates for helmets where the clamp isn't the right fit. Next up, you get 2 speaker pads if you want the speakers closer to your ears, plus 4 Velcro pads for the speaker mounting inside the helmet. The SENA 60X comes with 2 wired boom microphones and 2 wired microphones. 60X also comes with 4 microphone sponges for the boom mics. For mounting your microphones, there's 2 sets of Velcro pads each for both mic types, 2 for the boom mics and 2 for the wired mics. Also included are 2 wired boom microphone holders. There's also 2 adhesive Velcro pads for the wired boom mic holders. Last and certainly not least, the USB-C charging cable. All right, now that we're done talking about what comes in the box with the 60X, let's get into actually using it, starting by turning it on. Powered on, you press the phone button and the joystick center together for 1 second. And a quick note here, as soon as you turn it on for the first time, it's going to go into phone pairing mode, which is a great time to get your phone connected to the unit.
Hello. Battery level is medium.
To power off, single tap both those buttons together.
Battery level is medium. Goodbye.
The first setting you're going to probably mess with is the volume control. The 60X makes it very easy with the joystick control. You simply tap the joystick up for volume up and down for volume down. And what you'll notice about it, there's actually a visual indication of your volume level with the LED strips on the 60X. All right, let's get into the configuration menu. To enter that menu, you're going to hold the joystick center for 10 seconds until you hear configuration menu in the speakers.
Configuration menu.
Then you tap the joystick to navigate between options and confirm with a tap.
Second mobile phone pairing. GPS pairing. Remote control pairing. Universal intercom pairing. Action cam pairing. Delete all pairings. Exit. Exit.
Here's what the 60X can hold. Multiple devices, including 2 mobile phones and 1 GPS on Bluetooth. It supports 1 additional device alongside your mobile phone for simultaneous connection. As we mentioned earlier, the very first time you power on the 60X or anytime after a factory reset, the 60X automatically enters phone pairing mode. After that, you can trigger it any time by holding the phone button for 5 seconds.
Phone pairing.
You're going to open your phone's Bluetooth settings, tap 60X, then you're connected. Want to cancel pairing mode? Press any button.
Your headset is paired.
All right, let's get into the functionality with your smartphone. Calls come in, you simply tap the phone button or the joystick center to answer. To end it, tap the phone button or hold the joystick center for 2 seconds. Don't want to take the call? Hold the joystick center for 2 seconds while it rings. The next functionality comes with the SENA Motorcycles app. You can assign preset phone numbers for speed dialing in that app. Then on the road, double tap the phone button, speed dial, and use the joystick up or down to cycle through the options. There's last number redial, then speed dials 1, 2, and 3. Tap the phone button or joystick center to confirm.
Speed dial 2.
To start playing music, hold the joystick center for 1 second to play or pause. Hold the joystick up or down for 1 second to skip tracks forward or back. That's some fun stuff, but let's get into the communication. Mesh intercom. This is why you buy SENA. The 60X gives you 2 mesh intercom modes. Open mesh for open group conversation. Think a public channel or an open radio channel that other people with mesh compatible devices can join. Or group mesh for private group conversations. You, your own riding buddies. First, a compatibility note. Mesh 3.0 is new tech, but if your friends are on legacy SENA products running Mesh 2.0, switch the 60X to Mesh 2.0 in the SENA Motorcycles app and ride together anyway. Nobody's left out. You can turn Open Mesh on or off. Single tap the Mesh Intercom button. You're going to hear Mesh Intercom on, Open Mesh Channel 1 in your ear.
Mesh Intercom on. Open Mesh. Channel 1.
Tap again, Mesh Intercom off.
Mesh Intercom off.
That's the whole entry ritual. Anybody nearby on the same channel in Open Mesh is now in your conversation. Here's how Mesh Intercom can scale. You can freely communicate with virtually unlimited users on each of the 6 available channels. Of course, you can mute and unmute your conversations. You simply hold the Mesh button for 1 second during a conversation and you'll hear mic off. Same again, mic on.
Mic off.
Your group does not need your in-helmet karaoke. Or maybe they've earned it and you want to share it with them. This gives you the option to share what you're speaking or not. Let's get into channel selections. So channel selections is really handy if you want to isolate your own crew in a mesh setting. To change your mesh channel, you just simply tap the mesh button 2 times to enter the channel settings.
Channel setting 1.
You'll hear channel setting 1, and then you'd use your joystick to go up and down to move between the selected channels.
2, 3, 4, 5.
Then you tap the center joystick button to confirm. All of that's about the open mesh channels, but you can also set up a group mesh that's only your private conversation. This can be up to 24 participants. If everybody's standing around in your group in open mesh, you and your crew each hold the mesh button for 5 seconds. You're going to hear mesh grouping in your headset. And that's the great part. You don't need to be on the same open mesh channel to group up. When grouping completes, it switches over automatically and you'll hear group mesh.
Mesh grouping.
If you're in a big event like a motorcycle rally or a concert where a lot of people are riding to, having your own group mesh setup really saves a lot of frustration when you don't know who's talking to you. So set up your private group mesh, only talk to your crew, and the best part is you don't even have to be on the same open mesh channel to group up. If you just run up to your buddies and you be like, hey, you want to join our group? Just hold the button down for 5 seconds, and you guys are going to be grouped. You can also toggle between open and group mesh while you're riding. You simply hold the mesh button for 3 seconds to flip between open mesh and your group mesh.
Open Mesh. Channel 6.
Without resetting anything. Pop out to open mesh to chat with a wider ride or a bigger group of people, then jump back into your private group once you regroup with them. A really cool feature that you're going to want to set up in the SENA Motorcycle app is the mesh reach out request. So here's the scenario. Your buddy turned his mesh off at the fuel stop and forgot to turn it back on. So instead of honking at him or pointing at him or waving your hands at your helmet, you simply triple tap the mesh button. You're going to hear mesh reach out request in your ears, and the nearby friends are going to hear mesh intercom requested.
Mesh reach out request.
Straight out of the manual, both of you need to have the reach out enabled in the SENA Motorcycles app first. and it works on friends up to 330 feet away in open terrain. Another quick tip on mesh: if the mesh setup ever gets tangled or confusing and you want to just kind of start over, you simply hold that mesh button for 8 seconds. You're going to hear reset mesh in your helmet, and the unit automatically returns to open mesh channel number 1 setting. You're starting with a clean slate to reconnect.
Reset mesh. Open mesh. Channel 1.
Remember, the Wave Intercom app from the start of the video, you must open the app before starting Wave Intercom. App open, simply double tap the Mesh Intercom button, and you're going to hear Wave Intercom on.
Wave Intercom on.
Wave Intercom is going to enable open communication from your headset using cellular data, not helmet-to-helmet radio to the cell network. This is the cellular network handling your communications. When you start Wave, you automatically connect with users in the Wave Zone. And the Wave Zone covers a 1-mile radius in North America and 1.6 kilometers everywhere else. To end it, single tap the mesh button. You're going to hear Wave Intercom off in your speakers.
Wave Intercom off.
Now this is a genuinely slick function. A single tap on the joystick center flips you between the two. Mesh Intercom off, Wave Intercom on is going to come into your headset and back again. So tight group on a canyon road, run mesh. Group spreads out, 1 tap, you're riding on the cell network.
Wave Intercom off. Mesh Intercom on.
All right, up next, Bluetooth intercom. Mesh is certainly a headline story, but Bluetooth intercom is still the bread and butter for riding with other SENA owners. Now, there are multiple ways to pair Bluetooth. The QR code method is recommended. Both riders pair your phone with your headset. Open the SENA Motorcycles app, tap QR pairing, scan the QR code on the other rider's screen, tap Save, go to the Bluetooth intercom menu to see your pairing list, and tap the device name to pair. Repeat for more headsets. Compatibility note here, QR pairing works with SENA models on Bluetooth version 3.0 or later. The old school way still works. Both riders hold the joystick center for 5 seconds. You're going to hear intercom pairing and wait for it to complete. It can take a moment depending on surrounding wireless signals like Wi-Fi. To cancel, press the joystick center.
Intercom pairing.
How the pairing list works is important. The list runs last come, first serve. That means the most recently paired headset becomes your first intercom friend. You pair your actual main riding buddy last, and they'll always be the one-tap connection. Let's get into audio multitasking. You remember that dual-core CPU from the intro? Here's the payoff. Audio multitasking lets you listen to music, GPS turn-by-turn instructions, and FM radio while having a mesh intercom or Bluetooth intercom conversation. Music doesn't vanish when your buddy talks, it just ducks underneath. FM radio up next. Yes, there's a radio in your helmet. To turn it on and off, you hold the phone button for 1 second. FM radio on will come in your headset, and FM radio off.
FM radio on. 100.7.
To seek stations, you can hold the joystick up or down for 1 second.
100.7.
You can also save preset radio stations in your presets using the SENA Motorcycles app. The 60X offers voice commands in 8 different languages set through the SENA Motorcycles app, and the complete command list is in the app too. The 60X is a very advanced piece of hardware, and to keep this thing running current, there is over-the-air firmware updates. That means no cables, no desktop, not anymore. The 60X updates firmware over the air directly from the settings in the SENA Motorcycles app. And over the air means improvements to the unit are going to be fed directly without ever needing to plug it in. All right, some quick troubleshooting tips. There's 2 ways to reset. You can do the full wipe back to factory defaults. You simply hold the phone button for 10 seconds. You're going to hear audio factory reset confirmation. Then you're going to want to confirm that with a tap of the joystick center.
Factory reset. Headset reset. Goodbye.
All right, that's the 60X from the box to your helmet and how you can use it out on the road. I personally love this unit. I think it looks really sleek and modern. I love the customizable faceplates if you want to change your style. The customizable buttons 1 and 2 if you want to customize those for functions with simple 1 tap. The joystick control is great with gloved hands, even in the winter with a big thick glove. Every button is very tactile and very easy to feel. The audio from the Bose upgrade is phenomenal. You're going to really appreciate that, especially with all the custom accessories they give you to get those speakers closer to your ear and your helmet. Don't forget to stay tuned to SENA.com for all the new model updates and new product announcements. And stay tuned to this YouTube channel for SENA Motorcycles content showing you the features and benefits of all our great products.
Connected.